you'll find that we've been to work on the trains. You'll find new computers that help them run on time.
It's definitely not a good morning on Sydney roads.
New tracks that can handle more trains. You'll find electronic signaling that's more efficient. Parking stations that are free. Stations that have been rejuvenated. And new trains that are more comfortable. Take a train, and you'll find what thousands of new passengers have already found. At the State Rail Authority, we're not just building new trains. We're building a whole new railway.